Want to optimize your offers using data from freelance platforms? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage that data to improve your business decisions and make smarter offers that convert better. The first step is to dive into the data provided by freelance platforms. Whether it's Upwork, Fiverr, or others, these platforms are goldmines for information. Start by analyzing job postings that align with your services. Look at the descriptions, pay rates, and the skills requested. This will give you a clear picture of what clients are looking for, what they're willing to pay, and what their expectations are. By understanding this, you can position your offers in a way that aligns with market demand. Next, explore profiles of top-rated freelancers in your niche. Study their success strategies. Notice the services they offer, their rates, and how they present their profiles. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't. But don't just copy what they do. Find ways to add your unique value to stand out. You want to offer something better or different that gives potential clients a reason to choose you over others. One important piece of data to track is client feedback. Look for patterns in reviews and ratings. What are clients praising? What are they criticizing? You can take this data to refine your approach, avoid common mistakes, and focus on what clients truly value. If there's a recurring complaint about a specific service or aspect, make sure you address that in your offers. Also, keep an eye on the competition. What are other freelancers charging for similar services? How do their offers compare to yours in terms of quality and deliverables? Adjust your pricing or services accordingly to stay competitive. You may find that adjusting your offer slightly by adding more value or shifting your pricing can make a big difference. And here's a crucial point. Track your own performance on these platforms. Measure your success over time by reviewing the types of offers that work best for you. What kind of clients are you attracting? What kind of feedback are you getting? By regularly tracking this data, you can adjust your strategy and fine-tune your offers to get better results. If you've tried a few tools and platforms already, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how can I simplify all of this? Well, the software we're using today can make tracking and analyzing this data much easier. It'll help you pull actionable insights that can really take your offers to the next level. And the best part? I've got an exclusive free trial available for you through the link in the description below. You can follow along and start optimizing your offers today. To summarize, leveraging data from freelance platforms is all about understanding what clients want, what the competition is doing, and using that data to refine your offers. Make sure you're using insights from job postings, top freelancers' profiles, reviews, and your own performance metrics to stay ahead of the curve. The key takeaway here is, by using data from freelance platforms strategically, you can optimize your offers to attract more clients and stand out in a crowded market. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below if you want to follow along and make the most of this software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.